Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great countryman. Now, I am back on the Cassie thing because the secret baby father, which everybody know who is the secret baby father, for some reason, the police has not spoken to this man. And this girl missing, this is going on 2 months in St. Lucia, and it is bothering me. So this video right here is to keep hope alive, which I know Cassie is not alive. This reminds me of the Savannah Guthrie situation where somebody came in her house in Arizona and took her mother. With Cassie, it's a similar situation. The only difference is, and it's a big difference, Cassie is poor and black and living in a small tiny island, and Savannah Guthrie is a millionaire TV host. She can put up $1 million. But with that said, we now let this go, so let's go on some real issue. That's him and Frog Face right there, so and you see how them close, super criminal, dress up in a suit, very dangerous. But beyond that, people are very upset. People are very upset about this, and people are afraid to talk. So I'm gonna talk for them. Now, the baby father, him work with police, you understand? And in a St. Lucia, when it come to the police then, there is so much corruption.
Approach was replaced by a sharp fiscal warning. Garde isn't just looking for suspects anymore. He's looking for their assets.
These people will be losing some of the property that they have achieved through nefarious activities. The targets are named already, and we are getting the packages ready to manage them. So the wealth they enjoyed before 2026, they will not enjoy it again. And this is just a small part of what we intend to do to get order in St.
Before I continue with the video, that was the commissioner saying that he's going after 10 targets for illicit gotten gains, and it's a new law. But just to show you how backward St. Lucia is, they just coming out with a law like this, you know. But my thing is, Mr. Commissioner, make sure Doc Norville is one of the first person you go after, and go after Frog Face too. Then when you do that, we will know that you're serious. Don't just go out there and pick on the weakest link. Do some real work. That's all me have to say. With that said, I am going to continue. Now, the mother came out on TV and said that she was in the house asking for food. So if she was in the house asking for food, how come the police haven't gone to the house? Remember now, everybody know what was going on in that area and with that girl. Someone must know the people in the house. That's an easy start for the police. You understand? And this is coming from a subscriber. Now, my subscriber went on to say that St. Lucia is extremely dangerous and crooked policing, very incompetent force. The baby father is God in the criminal community. He's too famous and he's God. There is no way they're gonna arrest this mystery baby father right here. Listen, the police them is corrupt. The police them take bribes in St. Lucia. Police forces unfortunately are very docile, laid back, unequipped, and mentally unequipped. It's almost cowardly and always go for the easy route. So not much paperwork. The detective skills in St. Lucia is second to none. Check this out, I am not just saying it, the proof is in the pudding, and this is what the subscriber is saying, and guess what, I have always said it, even Jamaica has moved forward, even Trinidad has moved forward. Listen, St. Lucia detective skills is second to none in the world. Nothing is solved. You have super criminal like these people right here, missing girl right here, and up to now you're telling me these damn detectives haven't get any clue when St. Lucia's a small place and everybody in the community knows what's going on. But is the police being complacent or being complicit in this super criminal thing? You have to beg to wonder. Remember, nothing never gets solved in a St. Lucia. You understand? Basic evidence, you know, always disappear and them tamper with basic evidence. Now, another big problem I see, local crime scene. When you have locals messing around with the crime scene, destroying evidence, you know, on site. And this is what happened in St. Lucia all the time. Yo, the police them in a St. Lucia, them not hungry enough. Them not try solve crime, especially the murders. Look at all the murders. If there's a big name behind the crime, they'll let it pass. But if it's a small name, they'll go after them. And this is how I feel. Listen, help bring home Cassie John. And listen one more time. My name is Countryman.